Hello guys, welcome to the Varsity Creations in Excel Mania. Today we are going to teach you how to do the drop down list in Excel. It's very easy and very useful too. I will show you guys how can you guys use later on these things. We have the name here from the table. The last time I used the same table. Instead of writing the names, we can also add the drop down list. And so what we have to do, just come to this column over here and make it a little bit bigger. Write down names here, and then come to the next column, make it a little bit bigger. And what we have to do to make the drop down list, we have to go to the data right here. Data is right here. You have to click on it, and then you have to go to the validate. In validate, there is a data validation. You have to click on data validation, and you can see that data validation, you have this thing come here. So it's a validation criteria. And allow, you have to click over here and you will see the whole number, decimal, list, date. So we are talking about the list over here. So we are going to click on the list here. And the sources over here. What kind of sources do we need? We are talking about the names over here. So the names are over here. You have to select them all over here. And did you see that all the names came here from Umer to Sharo, right? And you have to press OK. Then you will see over here, you will see all the drop down list came here. You can select anything over here. So this is a only drop down list tutorial. And I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video, please, and subscribe our channel. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. It will be very helpful for the students and whoever is working in the job and everything. We are coming back with a lot of new tutorial in Excel with a small tutorial so you guys can understand what's going on in the everything and how can you do all these tasks in one data in one table. So for the next time, I hope you guys will learn all these things, practice the Excel a lot, and next time I will come with the next new tutorial and you guys will enjoy it. Thank you. Bye.